quickly shift to the demo. So this demo is about a large language model which has been trained specifically to certain documents. So what we wanted to show was this entire solution is deployed on Ksolves infrastructure. The user has the ability to upload any file. Then that file will be sent to the LLM. It will be vectorized and sent to the LLM. Our chatbot is named as Mindy. So once the document has been trained and sent to the LLM, you can ask Mindy any question on that document, and it will give you responses in near real time.
Hello folks, welcome to the demonstration video of our in-house multi-modal RAG. We are using MLFlow for LLM deployment and RAG evaluation, comparing different versions of models. It will read the knowledge within the organization, giving outputs in the form of text or images, helping you analyze or visualize the output in real time. Without any further ado, let's kick it off. So Mindy is here to help me. Now let's start by uploading a few files. I will upload the Kafka case studies PDF, and boom, our file is now ready to rock. On the left hand side, you can see which files are processed and which are in progress. So moving on, let me ask Mindy something. Say, what is Cassandra consumer in Kafka? So according to the context, Mindy replies. Now let me ask another question. Say, give me the workflow of Uber in Kafka. Here you can see that our multi-modal RAG model provided the text and the image explaining the workflow of Uber in Kafka along with the diagram. Now let's upload another file which has data related to the Qatar FIFA World Cup 2022. Let me ask a question. Say, from which team Almoiz Ali is? See, our multi-modal RAG model replied instantly. Now let me share an image of an elephant and see what result it provides. For further prompts, say, let me ask Mindy to give me details about the given image. The output is quite impressive, right? Now I have also one more process file having the data for literacy rate. Let me ask a question related to that. What is the percentage of schools that taught health education in 9th grade? So this is how our model responded, with diagrams and to the point. Quite intelligent, right? That's all folks. For more information, contact us at sales@ksolves.com. See you on the other side.
Again, we are very happy to be present over here today, and I'll take a pause now for any questions.
Thank you for your presentation. I wanted to ask if you had project with Russian language.
So far, we have worked with a couple of languages, English and then some Indian languages. I think we might have worked with one of the European languages. I can get back on that if that was Russian or it was something else.
Okay.
So on the screen you can see that Mindy is now able to answer any question which has so the file gets uploaded, and then Mindy is able to, once the file is processed, you can ask Mindy any question on top of that file. Yes, please.
Thank you for the mic, by the way. Thank you for your presentation. I have two questions, actually.
Please.
The first question, it's related with the big data. How you are dealing with the big data while the model maybe has a maximum size of handling?
Dealing with the model, why it may have a?
For example, there are several models that can accept a maximum size of data. Now we are speaking about big data. So what is the maximum size of data?
So far we have, what all models that we have worked with, right? They have been specifically trained to a custom use case only. It's not like that, I am training my own LLM. I'm not training my own open source LLM, right? I have used a base open source LLM. On top of that, I had to customize it to my use case for that customer. So it is, we have never come across a situation wherein the data has become a limit for us.
Okay, and the second question, which programming language are you using? Is it Python?
So most of this work is being done on Python. Within Python, we are using TensorFlow as well as Keras. Some of our clients they have been looking at R, but most prominent has been Python.
Okay, because R is an interpreted programming language, are you facing any slowdown or latency while loading the data, or because it's very big?
So I think data ingestion is an art in itself. We have worked, we have worked on, so we use container-based systems which are scalable. So we have not seen any latency which can impact, which has a serious impact, right? Secondly, the data to be trained, you can decide whether it needs to be done in real time, or it can be like it's in a batch, right? So you could probably, if what we usually do is, we bring the data could be in unstructured format, right? There are files, for example, right? If they are, and then the files may be coming at the end of the day. So the model runs at the end of the day to ingest those files and then get trained, which at that time the model is not being sort of, the data is being just ingested into the system and being trained by the model is getting trained on top of that, right? It is not that it's happening real time when you are serving the model also.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
If there's any other questions over here, no? Good to go. Thank you so much, Mr. Manish. Give him a round of applause.